How to create AI movies for free, total free of charge and unlimited. And when I'm talking about free of charge and unlimited, I am not talking about Flow AI. I am not talking about Grok like this one. Let's get right into the video.
So you're going to log into your chatbot, either Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini AI, Meta AI, any type of chatbot you're using. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using ChatGPT. So this is ChatGPT, and I requested for 6 stories idea. If you've been following on my tutorials, I already told you how to get stories ideas that is not generic like this. You can't just say, give me 6 stories ideas or something like that. I already explained how to get stories idea in my previous video. So you can go and watch my previous video after you finish watching this. So let's just say ChatGPT should give us stories idea, right? Now, ChatGPT gave us this particular stories idea. I'm going to pick one. So I am picking number 6, the last one. So I copied it. I copied the last one and I posted it. This is it. So I posted it and I added a little bit of prompt. So I added this. Give me full story scenes, not story. I mean full story scene by scene with dialogues, actions, and motion prompts for each shot or scenes. Add a little narrations in the necessary places. Use a very simple, easy to understand English. Arrange the story in a way to keep my audience attention from start to finish. Can you see? So, and I sent it. So ChatGPT gave me this. This is the full story, right? This is the full story. And I said it should give me scene by scene, the shots, the movements, everything happening in the scene. All these short motion prompts and all that are what are going to make your story unique and not just bland. Okay, so this is scene 2 and all till the last scene. So after getting the story, remember I already told you we're not using Grok or we are not using Flow AI. You know Grok is expensive now and this is not Flow AI. So this is another AI tools that is going to be giving you free AI videos. I am going to request for image scene for this scene now. So I'm going to say, give me image prompt for each scene. All the prompts I use for this video will be available in the comment section. Okay, so this is scene 1. You are going to copy scene 1 and you are going to generate your scene 1. Okay, so you copy it and generate it. Of our scene 1 copied, I'm going to send it so you can generate the image for me. Okay, and I'm going to copy scene 2. This is scene 2. I'm going to copy the image prompt for scene 2. This is to get the exact image of what you are doing. Okay, you can use it for any form of story, at all. Can you see now? Can you see how cool it is? Can you see? So you're going to send the 3 and I'm going to generate the rest of this prompt offline. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long. I'm going to generate the rest offline. You click here and you're going to paste it again. Can you see the guy? You see how cool this is? Sunset. So we are going to save your image. Just click on the image like this. When you click on the image like this, you see this arrow. You click on it and you are going to save. It's going to save on your phone. So the next thing we are going to do now is copy our scene 1, the scene 1 that we've generated. We are going to copy the scene 1 like this. You copy it here. You are going to come to your browser, any browser of your choice, and search for $AI. This one, $AI. Then you are going to click on it. This first one, can you see $AI.com? So this $.com, you click on it and it's going to bring you to this page. Okay, it's going to bring you to this page. But to get more of it, you are going to come here. You see more, you click on more. You see create video. If it is image that you want to create, maybe you want to create your scene image, you click on create image. You see writing, you see translate, you see Omo, but you're going to click on create image. You see create image. For you to get the full or for you to get the full use of this place, you come here and change it to desktop. See, you see now, you click on these three stuff and change to desktop view. Yes, can you see now? You're going to change your phone to a flat screen like this. After changing your phone to a flat screen like this, you're going to see these three dots. It was not there the other time, so you're going to see these three dots. You click on the three dots, these three dots. When you click on these three dots, this particular three dots, you see model 2.0 fast. You see Dreamina Sedans 2.0 fast. You see Dreamina Sedans 2. You put it on 2.0 fast. It is there. You click again. You see 10 seconds. You see 5 seconds. If it's 10 seconds video that you want to do, just click on 10 seconds and you set your aspect ratio. Can you see? This is for YouTube long and this is for YouTube short. Since you are doing YouTube long, you are going to use 16:9. If you are posting on TikTok or you are posting on, Facebook or Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, you are using 9:16. You should know this by now if you've been watching my videos. So here now, can you see? Describe the actions in the video. You see this plus sign, you click on it, you go and import your image scene. This is image scene number 1. You click on it and add. So you're going to wait for it to download. So can you see our video now? You are going to wait for it to download. You see our video is ready. Yes, click on these three dots, these three particular dots. You click here, you see download, you click on download. Now that our video has finished downloading, you come here and you click on download. So you're going to see River. I feel this is nice. Like, this is really nice for free. Oh no, this is really nice. The next thing you're going to do, is go to your CapCut and import your video. Okay, so this is video 1 and video 2, and continue importing your video. And this is really good for free. And when you run out of credit, the next thing for you to do for today, because they give you credit every day. So if you run out of your credit for that particular day, you can log in with another email, generate your image and continue. Log in with another image, generate your video and continue. And the following day, your credit is going to refresh. They're going to give you another credit again. So I think this is cool. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.